Menteri Rangba Akajala Conrad ki sangma menta kahanyo tarik naitum araja arpaulai. Ulapli ya kata masa nyak Lieng kenda hasnong Umtham Haribhoi district. Hakani kasngi Conrad ulashim yu Boitha banking ya kaling kum kadak bapli. Lapenlong ya kani kata masa ringkat kajingat relang Karibhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society bat ke Meghalaya Canoe Association. Kani kajing temu kalong ban penpaunam ya kani kajing elekai kingling Hakajala kabala bananam ru ban kring keleng ke perthai.
The flight not long. The flight not long.
Chalo, thanks.
Okay guys, let's go quickly.
This bamboo.
We are here to launch the kayaking program from the government side, and you can see behind me here we have a very natural flow of the river, which is something that is very unique and one of a kind, in fact, in the entire country, and maybe in one of the few in the whole world. Hence the potential to really promote this in terms of sports and also in terms of tourism is really high, and this of course has been initiated by many individuals in the past many years, but there has not been any support from the government in the past many years. But recently the government has started to recognize the work that they have done, and we are now really supporting them financially to ensure that we can take this to the new level, where not just it becomes a sport for adventure sports, but it also is a sport that has got a potential for us to get medals in the national as well as at the international level. And apart from that also, this could be an area of very high-end tourism, where people could actually experience the flow of the river and really experience the rafting and the kayaking that is possible in this kind of streams. So that's really what we are here for, and I really thank all the people who have taken the initiative, and I wish this program great success.
Not just for the youngsters who are really enjoying this, and I'm sure will shine at the national and international level, but it is also going to be a great opportunity for tourism, as was mentioned. So I really look forward that we'll be able to develop this as a very good tourism circuit, and we'll be able to really give a great experience to the tourists coming from all over the world out here. Of course, we have huge challenges when it comes to environmental and forest degradation. We need the support of the community in this, and so I hope that the Rangbashrong is here and others are here, along with the other headmen of the local localities and the villages around, along with our MDCs and other leaders. I hope that we'll be able to take concrete steps and decisions to ensure that we are able to preserve the pristine water as well as the river, the forest that we have. And it can only be done, as I said, if the community is together. So I hope the association also will play an active role in creating awareness about the necessity for maintaining the forest covers and ensuring that we preserve them. And at this point in time, I must recognize the efforts that have been made by Ian Vincent and by Sheila and all the other team members who have faced all different kind of challenges and yet continue to do what they are doing, and to finally see that the efforts put in are giving this kind of an output must be giving them a sense of some satisfaction today. And hence I congratulate them. I thank them for all the work that they're doing, and I also want to assure them that as a government we believe that people who have passion in them to do something that they are very much passionate about and believe in, and they put their heart and soul into it, well, government wants to support people like them. People who are willing to go that extra mile. And the least the government can do is support these kind of activities and these kind of people who are doing more than what is expected in one way. And therefore, I assure you, Mr. Yen and Sheila and all the other team members, especially our young sports persons and enthusiasts who are today really getting this opportunity to, really enjoy, be part of the sport, and which is not just a sport, but as was mentioned, it has got a huge potential for the state to really get a medal at the national as well as international level. You must be aware that government of Meghalaya has been scientifically working on ensuring that we produce good sports persons in the years to come.
Champions, the cream of extreme kayaking have come here to Meghalaya. And of course they've not come just to kayak here, so the other rivers in Meghalaya are what draws them to the Kinshi and Bakri, Piva, and rivers like that. That's what draws them to Meghalaya, these extreme waterfalls and excitement. It's a very challenging whitewater in Meghalaya.